Hey, what's up? Do you remember a company like Meizu? It is a Chinese manufacturer that was popular a couple of years ago, and it competed with Xiaomi, Huawei, and other Chinese companies. However, something went wrong, and the company began to produce fewer mobile devices. Nevertheless, Meizu is still alive, and there are new products in 2021. In this video, I want to tell you about wireless earbuds from Meizu called mBlu. The main features of these TWS earbuds are 30 dB active noise cancellation, wireless charging support, 12mm driver, dual microphone, and 30 hours of battery life. By the way, these are some of the most affordable ANC earbuds on the market. Before we start the review, please subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about the new videos. Thank you. On the box of the new Meizu wireless earbuds, we can see how they look like, as well as their main features such as 12mm driver, active noise cancellation, long battery life, etc. Inside the box there is a charging case with earbuds, silicone ear tips of different size, and user manual. As you can see, a charging cable is not included, but a seller on AliExpress has added USB cable to my order. That's very nice. The new Meizu mBlu wireless earbuds are available in a single white color. A charging case and earbuds are made of matte plastic. I really like the material of these earbuds because it doesn't leave fingerprints and doesn't slip in the hands. A charging case has mBlu logo on the top, LED indicator on the front, and USB Type-C charging port on the back. Inside the case there is a second LED indicator and a button. The earbuds themselves look very nice, do you agree? By the way, did you notice that there is no Meizu logo on the box, charging case, or earbuds? We can only see mBlu logo. Don't worry, because this is a Meizu brand of the wireless earbuds. You know, the earbuds are pretty tight. I think that is good, because they don't fall out of the ears. The earbuds also have IPX4 waterproof rating, so you can do sports with them. In general, Meizu mBlu earbuds look and feel like a premium product. However, their price is only $32. Talking about control, the new Meizu earbuds have touch panels. You can pause the music with double press on the left or right earbuds. A triple press on the right earbud switches to the next song. The same triple press on the left earbud switches to the previous song. You can also press and hold on the right earbud to turn on/off a noise cancellation mode. A press and hold on the left earbud turns on/off a transparency mode. Finally, you can double press the earbuds to answer or hang up a call. That's all control functions. Unfortunately, Meizu mBlu don't have a gaming mode. However, we need to check latency. Perhaps the latency is good without a gaming mode. As usual, I will play PUBG Mobile to test the latency of Meizu wireless earbuds. I cannot say that this is the best earbuds for games, because they have a latency in games. It is not very high, but for me it was not very comfortable to play shooting games. Okay, let's check a microphone quality.
Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone of Meizu mBlu wireless earbuds. The Chinese manufacturer says that they have dual microphone and ANC technology. Do you hear me well? Write in the comments below.
The sound quality of Meizu earbuds is very good, because they are equipped with 12mm driver. As you know, the bigger driver has a more powerful bass. On the other hand, I don't hear much difference between ANC and transparency modes when I listen to music. I think that this is because the earbuds have tight silicone ear tips. However, when you are not listening to music, you can really hear the difference between ANC and transparency mode. You don't even have to listen to music in Meizu earbuds, but you can just turn on ANC mode to reduce background noise in public places. In the user manual, I found that Meizu wireless earbuds have a battery capacity of 43 mAh and a 520 mAh charging case. The battery life on a single charge with ANC OFF is 6.5 hours. Using active noise cancellation mode, the playtime will be about 5.5 hours. The maximum battery life with the charging case can be 30 hours. Another feature of Meizu mBlu is wireless charging support. It is very good for the budget wireless earbuds. So let me tell you what I liked and didn't like about these wireless earbuds. The design of Meizu earbuds is very nice for me. A charging case and earphones look minimalist. I also like the material of matte plastic. I don't know about you, but I like matte plastic more than glossy. It doesn't slip in the hands and nice to touch. The next feature of Meizu earbuds is active noise cancellation and transparency mode. As I already said, these are one of the most affordable wireless earbuds with ANC. The sound quality is very good for $30 wireless earbuds. The bass is really powerful. In addition, the battery life of Meizu earbuds is very long. By the way, if you have a Meizu smartphone, you will have a pop-up window for connecting the earbuds. Talking about drawbacks, the earbuds have Chinese voice prompts. Unfortunately, you cannot select the English language. Thus, you will listen to the Chinese voice when you turn on ANC or transparency mode. Also, the earbuds don't have a charging cable in the package. It is not a big problem, because you can buy it for $1–2 on AliExpress. In general, Meizu mBlu Plus are good wireless earbuds for $30. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.